Hi, I'm Mrs. Amodemo and this is Penny. Welcome to our video. We are going to be reviewing addition and subtraction strategies. This is our last lesson in that unit. Let's get started. All right, my friends, let me read the essential question by myself the first time and you read it with me the second time. What strategies can I use to add and subtract? Read it with me this time. What strategies can I use to add and subtract? What should we do? What should we do now? Penny, what should I do now? Penny says, I need to write an I can statement. She says you can help me. So my friends, what do I have to write first? I. And what's the rule about that little word I? Yes, it's got to be capital because it's the first word in a sentence and the word I by itself is always capitalized. I, favorite word, can. Spell can for me. Yes, C-A-N, use. It's right here if I don't know it. Use, strategies, and I'm going to borrow it because it's right up here, my friends. S-T-R-A-T-E-G-I-E-S, to. How do I spell that little word to? Yes, to, add, added. What do I hear? Yes, A-D-D, and you know how to spell this word. Let me hear you. That's correct. A-N-D, subtract. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T. And what goes at the end of my statement, my friends? Yes, I need a period. All right, my friends, let me read the I can statement, and then you read it with me the second time. I can use strategies to add and subtract. Read it with me this time, my friends. I can use strategies to add and subtract. Now, I know what you're thinking, because it's what I'm thinking. What does that mean? Well, think about it for a second. Anything that helps you add or subtract is a strategy. Anything at all. I know, it's kind of cool. Penny, what's your favorite strategy? Penny says her favorite strategy is my favorite strategy. I like to draw a quick pick. If I get stuck, that's what I do. The fancy way of saying it is I make a model, but I like to call it a quick pick. I make a quick picture and it helps me. What else? What else can we use? Penny, what else can we use? Penny says we can use a hundreds chart if you've got one. Besides a hundreds chart, anything else? Ooh, Penny says from the beginning of the year, my friends, we could use a number line. And then let's think about it. You know your doubles facts. So if you saw 7 plus 7, you know 7 plus 7 equals 14. You could use that strategy. So there are lots of different ways we can add, subtract. Let me erase this and we'll try them out. All right, my friends, I have written 8 problems up for us to solve. Let's do the 2 together. Let's pick one addition problem and one subtraction problem to solve together, and then you pause the video and do the rest without me. So the hardest part, my friends, is making sure you notice, are you adding or are you subtracting? Because if you add when you're supposed to subtract or subtract when you're supposed to add, you're not going to get the right answer. So let's start with this one. 70 minus 40, and it's a subtraction problem. I'm going to circle. Let's do our subtraction problems in green. That way it's easy to check which ones are subtraction and which ones are addition. So, subtraction. For subtraction, my friends, are we putting together or are we pulling apart? Penny, for subtraction, are we putting together or are we pulling apart? Penny says for subtraction, my friends, we are pulling apart. So, let's start and let's use a quick pick. 70. How many 10s are in 70? You're so smart. Yes, there's 7 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And now, my friends, we're subtracting, so I have to cross out 40. How many 10s are in 40? Yes, you're right. There are 4 10s. So, my friends, I'm going to circle 4 10 rods, and I'm going to cross them out. And then I just have to count up to find my difference. You remember, the answer to a subtraction problem is called what? Yes, it's called the difference. So here we go. Ready? 10, 20, 30. Let's count it again. 10, 20, 30. All right, my friends. So 70 minus 40 equals what? You are so smart. Yes, it equals 30. Now, let's do this addition problem, and I'm going to switch colors. Purple, purple. Let's use purple for addition. So we're adding, my friends, 55 plus 12. 55 plus 12. And what is the answer to an addition sentence called? Penny, what's the answer to an addition sentence called? Penny says the answer to an addition sentence is called the sum. S-U-M, sum. All right, my friends, 55. How many tens are in 55? Yeah, 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And how many ones? 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 12. How many tens? 1 10 rod. And how many ones? 2 ones. All right, my friends, so we're going to put them together, and I'm circling them all so that if somebody looks, they know that I'm putting them together, because that's what we do when we add. And now we have to count it up. And you know, I like to start with the ones place. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we got to hold that 7 in our brain. Ready? 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67. Let's check it. Let's do it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you got to hold that 7 in your brain. We're going to count on by tens. Ready? So we're starting with 7. Here we go. 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67. So my friends, what is the sum of 55 plus 12? Yes, it is 67. All right, my friends, pause the video, solve the rest of these, and when you're done, hit play, and let's see if we match. All right, my friends, take a minute and see if we match. Do we match? We're looking good? Wonderful. All right, my friends, let's switch. Let's try a couple using a hundreds chart, and then we'll come back to the board and do a word problem. All right, my friends, let's use this hundreds chart to solve these problems. So my friends, you know how to do these. First thing we do, we're going to go find our first number, 22, on the hundreds chart. I'm going to color it yellow. So let's go find 22 on the hundreds chart. Oh, here it is. And then, my friends, if this second number is less than 10, we go horizontally across. And if this second number is more than 10, we're going to go vertically down. So 6 is less than 10. That means we're going to go horizontally across 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my friends, we just found our answer. It's right here. And our answer is 28. Let's do the next one. All right, my friends, step 1. We're going to go find this first add-in, 41. We're going to use green this time. So let's go find 41. Here's 41. And now, my friends, oh, it's bigger. It's bigger than 10. So we are going to be going vertically down. And we're counting by tens now. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is our sum, my friends. 81. 81 is our sum. Let's keep going. All right, my friends, I've got 2 plus 31. 2 plus 31. I'm going to use the commutative property, and I'm going to switch the order of the add-ins, my friends. I'm going to make it 31 plus 2. I'm going to make it 31 plus 2 because I think moving from 31 will be easier than moving from 2. So 31 is now my first add-in. And I'm going to use orange this time. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to find 31. Here's 31. And now I've got to move 2 spaces. Now since 2 is less than 10, we're going to move horizontally 2 spaces. 1, 2. So our sum, my friends, is going to be 33. The sum of 2 plus 31 is 33. Or if you want to say 31 plus 2, it's still going to equal 33. All right, my friends, let's do this last one. So we've got to find 80. We've got to find 80. So let's use blue this time. 80, 80, 80, 80. Here's 80. All right, my friends. Now from 80, I've got 15. 15 is going to make me work, my friends, because 15 has 1 10 rod and 5 ones. So my friends, let's do the ones first. So from 80, let's go 5 ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then from 85, we have to go down. We have to go vertically down, down, vertically down 1 spot. So my friends, what is our sum? Yes, our sum is 95. Our sum is 95. All right, my friends, let me read the word problem the first time by myself. You read it with me the second time. Emily is baking cookies. She bakes 24 chocolate chip cookies and 18 oatmeal cookies. How many cookies does Emily make? Help me and read it with me this time. Emily is baking cookies. She bakes 24 chocolate chip cookies and 18 oatmeal cookies. How many cookies does Emily make? What should we do? Now don't get worried. What should we do? Penny, what should we do? Penny says we should figure out what we're starting with. All right, let's do that. Let's read through it and figure it out. Emily is baking cookies. Nice to know, but it doesn't help me solve it. She bakes 24 chocolate chip cookies and 18 oatmeal cookies. So we just found it. What do we start with, my friends? How many chocolate chip cookies does this word problem say Emily's making? Yeah, Emily is making 24. So we're starting with 24 cookies. And how many oatmeal cookies? 18. You are paying attention. So our change, my friends, is going to be 18. Now we don't know if we're adding or subtracting yet. We got to keep reading. How many cookies does Emily make? How many cookies does Emily make? How many? So my friends, you've got to use that big, beautiful brain. How many cookies does Emily make? So are we taking chocolate chip cookies and taking cookies away? Or are we taking the chocolate chip cookies and the oatmeal cookies and putting them together? What are we doing? Show me with your arms. We're adding, Mrs. Amodemo, or subtracting? Yeah, we're adding. We are adding. We're going to take those chocolate chip cookies. I like chocolate chip cookies. And the oatmeal cookies, and we're going to put them together and see how many cookies we've got all together. So, my friends, we've got 24 plus 18 is going to equal our end. And our end is called a what? What's the thing we don't know called? Penny, what's the thing we don't know called? Penny says it's called the variable. The thing we don't know is called the variable. So my friends, we need to write a number sentence. So what did we start with? Yeah, we started with 24, and then we're going to be adding 18 to it, and that's going to give us our sum, which is our variable. What can I do if I don't know? I love how smart you are. Yeah, we can draw a quick pick. 24, 2 10s, 4 1s, 18. How many 10s? 1 10. How many 1s? 8 1s. And we're adding, my friends, so we're going to be putting things together. We're going to be putting things together. All right, my friends, help me count. Let's start with the 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we've got a whole 12 in our brain, my friends. 12, 22, 32, 42. Let's count it again. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold 12 in your brain. Now we got to count on by tens. 22, 32, 42. So my friends, what is the sum of 24 plus 18? Yes, you are so smart, my friends. We have 42 as our sum of 24 plus 18. How are we feeling? I hope you're feeling good. Show me. Thumbs up. I got this, Mrs. Amodemo. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy and I'm feeling good. Thumbs to the side. I'm working it out, Mrs. Amodemo, but I'm still feeling good. Thumbs down. I'm trying, Mrs. Amodemo. I'm working it out, but I know I'm awesome, so I'm still feeling good. All right, my friends, thank you for sharing with me. Let's do a couple of vertical problems, and then we'll be done for today. All right, my friends, we've got 6 vertical problems to try and solve. Let's do 2 together, and then I'm gonna have you do the others without me. So let's do this one first. So we're adding, my friends. Make sure you notice if you're adding or subtracting. So we're adding 54 plus 32. 54 plus 32. And my friends, I'm gonna use my blue, and I'm just gonna split my 10s and my 1s up. It helps me keep things organized. So my 1s are on the right, and my 10s are on the left. It just makes it easier for me. And I think I gotta get rid of that marker soon. All right, my friends, 54. How many 10s do I need? Yeah, I need 5 10 rods. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And how many 1s? 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 32. How many 10s? 3 10 rods. 1, 2, 3. And how many 1s? 2 1s. All right, my friends. I like to always start with the 1s. So let's do our 1s first. Now let's solve this. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you already know this. The sum of 4 plus 2 is 6. And now, my friends, we can count up our 10 rods. You ready? Help me. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Count it again with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So my friends, what is the sum of 54 plus 32? Yes, you are so smart. It's 86. We're kind of awesome. All right, my friends, let's do this one. 90 minus 18. 90 minus 18. And I'm going to do the same thing, my friends. I'm just going to split up my 10s and 1s. Although you really can't see that line, I think this marker has died. It's out of ink. All right, my friends. Oh, I want to see if you noticed what I noticed. I've got 0 1s, but I've got to subtract 8. It's going to be a little difficult. Penny, what can I do? Penny says, I can draw 8 10 rods over here, and then I can put 10 1s. Because you know, 80 plus 10, what's 80 plus 10? Let's count real quick, all right? So we're counting up to 80 and then 10 more. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 10 more makes 90. So 8 10s and 10 1s, it's just a different way of saying 90, and it helps me subtract. Now remember, my friends, when we subtract, we're not going to draw anything for our 18 because we are pulling that 18 away from the 90. So we've got to cross things out. So we've got to cross out 8 1s. So right here, that looks like 8 1s. I'm going to cross them out. And then I've got to cross out 1 10 rod. So I'm going to circle this 10 rod, and I'm going to cross it out. All right, my friends, let's solve this. So here we had 10 minus 8. And you know, you're so smart. Yeah, 10 minus 8 is 1, 2. And we subtracted 10 from our 80, we're left with, help me count, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Help me count it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So our difference, 90 minus 18, has a difference of, yes, 72. All right, my friends, I want you to pause the video, solve the rest of these, and then hit play, and we'll see if we agree. All right, my friends, before you check how you did, hold on 1 second. I want to talk about this one real quick. I should have talked about it before. So my friends, here's my quick pick, because I've got 63 plus 17. Here's my quick pick. See, I've got 3 plus 7. And you know how 3 plus 7 is 10. Did you remember what the problem is? Yeah, I'm not following the rules. This is the 1 side. So if it's under 10, it can be there. But any numbers bigger than 10, they can't be there. Because once you hit 10, I need a 10 rod. So my friends, I have to take this 10 and I have to move it. I guess I'm gonna squeeze it on top. So it's a little short 10 rod. I have to move it over here. And then when I count, I've got to make sure that I count that 10 rod, my friends. You want to help me count real quick? You do? Fabulous. Ready? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Let's do it again. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So my friends, the sum of 63 plus 17 is 80. And my friends, notice we had to do that where we moved the 10 rod over on this problem as well. That's called regrouping. All right, my friends, take a second, see if we match on the rest. All right, my friends, how are we feeling? I hope you're feeling really, really good. I think you know so many strategies to solve addition and subtraction problems. Remember, we can do my favorite, we can draw a quick pick. We can use a hundreds chart. We can use doubles facts if they're close. We could use a number line. There are a lot of strategies, my friends. The one thing you've got to always use, yes, somebody just said it, got to make sure you use that big, beautiful brain. If you think you can figure it out, you're probably going to figure it out. You just have to be willing to take the time, my friends, and use the strategies you know. All right? My friends, I think I got to go. I think Penny wants to go for a walk. I'll be right back. All right, my friends, I hope you feel like you've learned a lot and are really feeling confident with your addition and subtraction strategies. I hope to see you at our next lesson. Have a great day. Bye.